First one's a polite no, right? Can you lower the price? No. It's not bad. It is okay for you to say no. You don't have to explain yourself. You need to be clear on your pricing. This is why we at Easton University recommend always giving your pricing early. Another great way is to talk about what the monetized value of this. Hey, Heather, you explained that this is going to save your company $16,000 a month when we get this software in. Does it make sense to start now, right? Remind them of the outcome that they're trying to purchase. Some other great things that we talk about in our negotiation course, ask them what they want to remove, right? Is there anything in the contract that you would like to remove? Make them have to take that value and move it over someplace else. The last piece I want to give you on psychology and negotiation. Never use the D word, discount. Never say I'm going to take off the price. You always have to cover the cost. Like, let's say I was going to discount your software $2,000 a month. I could say, Heather, I really want this deal to happen. I understand where you guys are at with the budget. I'm going to call in some favors with our team. Here's what I'd be willing to do. If you guys can start right now, I'm going to cover $2,000 of your monthly cost on my end out of my marketing budget. What I would like is the ability to come back to you and ask you for a testimonial, ideally a video testimonial. Once we over deliver for you, that would be worth absolute gold to me. We don't have to put it in the contract, but if you're willing to think about that down the road, I'd be willing to cover the cost of $2,000 of your membership fee or services or whatever it is. Never discount, cover the cost, because discount psychologically says to that person that you were trying to rip them off and have them pay more all along, and they just uncovered where the fat was, which is not true.